Lesson 1.6, there is no prep for this. We're going to use things we've already learned from other lessons. So we're thinking of a situation. Jenna's job requires her to travel, and we're comparing whether she uses her own car or a rental. And so we want to think about different things. What do we need to know to calculate the cost of renting a car? Right? Well, we would need to know things like daily fees. Do they charge for mileage? Do they charge for gas? And then number 2, what do we need to know about driving our own car? We would want to know about maintenance. We might want to know about her insurance fees. So different things for both of them, and you just want to differentiate between the two. Then the math. We want to figure out, for one trip, if she drives 150 miles and the price of gas is $3.67, she can choose between her own 4Runner, which gets 22 miles a gallon, or a fuel-efficient Elantra, which gets 40 miles per gallon. So you're comparing the two costs. And of course, there are hints, and they might change the numbers a little bit to help you, but we can look at it in a couple of ways. So if we're looking at the cost of gas, $3.67 a gallon, and her 4Runner can go 22 miles per gallon. Remember, since gallon's on the bottom, we want to put the gallon on top to cancel. And then the trip is $150, but she has to get there and back, so multiply it by 2. If I look at the calculator, 3.67 divided by 22 times 150 times 2, so $50.05. And then you do something similar, except instead of 22 miles, 40 miles per gallon for the Elantra. So then it's asking you to look at a different situation with a lake, but very similar steps. And then you're going to look at more details. So they do charge tax, they do charge mileage, things like that. So you're going to add in those costs. Again, it'll give you hints as you go along, though. So I will complete these, and you'll see the notes in the class notebook.